everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to unlock an Amazon account. Unlocking an Amazon account involves verifying your identity and addressing the reason for the account being locked. Now, first, Amazon typically locks accounts due to security concerns such as suspicious activity, payment issues, policy violations, problems with two-step verification. Now, check your email for notifications from Amazon. They will usually provide information about the reason for the lock. Next, to try to sign into your Amazon account. Amazon may provide on-screen instructions for unlocking your account. These instructions might involve or include verifying your email address or phone number, changing your password, providing additional information to verify your identity. Now, the third thing you can do is to contact Amazon customer service. If you cannot unlock your account through the on-screen instruction, contact Amazon customer service. You can do this through the Amazon website help section, the Amazon app, by phone. But just be prepared to provide your account information like email address and phone number, details about the issue you're experiencing, any information that Amazon requests to verify identity. And then Amazon may ask you to provide verification information such as a copy of your government-issued ID, proof of payment, information about recent orders. Just carefully follow the instructions provided by Amazon customer service. Be patient, and the verification process may take some time. Simple as that. Now, please note that if you have two-step verification enabled, ensure you have access to your backup methods. Also, be cautious of phishing attempts. Only provide your account information through official Amazon channels. Official Amazon help pages always refer to that for the most accurate and up-to-date information. Thanks for